How to see your device that is connected with your account Discord on Discord, of course. Hello guys, how is your day going? Today I will teach you and show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. First you will just go to Discord and open it. After this guys, when Discord is opening, as you see here, it's home. You will just go down here on your profile, then you will click. After this you will have like a lot of option. You will just go to devices, and here you will find like the devices or the device that is connected with your account on Discord, like this Android and Discord Android, and that's it. So we hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next time.